Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Ito po ay Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog, I post Women's Day celebration tungkol sa awit and Star Wars winners. But subscribe now to our YouTube channel. Gusto pag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Abuti ng 500 subscribers. If support natin sa ating social media account. Ang ating latest vlog, 317, episode 317, titled Awit and Stars Female Record Artists Combine Winners. Here's your vlog. Okay, pararin natin at simulan natin. Anong pong yan nagsimula ang Awit Awards? Okay. Kasi, ang Awit Awards ay nagsimula 60s. Alam ko kung bakit 60s nagsimula. According to, pari na lang, pari. Ang Awit Awards ay hindi lang po para sa mga singers na foreign, local man or foreign, kung pananalan ng pari, kung sino yung nanalong record, song, and album of the year. Dito naman sa Female Recording Artist Winners, ay 23 winners. Yan ang pinakaunang nanalong Female Recording Artist of the Year or Best Performances by a Female Recording Artist is noong 1989. The one and only Miss Shasha Padilla para sa kantang Maybe This Time. Hindi yung Michael Murphy or Sarah G. Maybe This Time, yung original kanta. Mula sa album nung 1988. Tapos nakaroon ng album or yung cover by Morissette, pero hindi yung sa sa actual version, but in the cover live version. And the most wins sa Awit Awards Best Performances by a Female Recording Artist, I see. Kasi 23 winners. Isa lang ang pinaka-most wins. Miss Lani Misalucha. Miss Lani Misalucha won Best Performance by a Female Recording Artist are Tunay na Mahal, 2099, Can't Live Without You, 2000, Malaya Ka Na, 2004, and I Live For Your Love, a cover of Natalie Cole. Yes, Natalie Cole, 2007. Yung sa Can't Live Without You, yan yung song entry sa Metro Pop Song Festival 1999. O, diba? Yung Tunay na Mahal, yan na yung theme ng teleserye ni Lovie Paul, kinover by Giant for Yesterday's Bride, 2012. And now, here are the combined winners from Awit Awards and Star Wars for music para sa Female Recording Artist category. Let's start with yung 4 wins, pero hinahati kasi sa Awit and Star Awards. Ito. Una dyan si Moira de la Torre. Sa Awit Awards, nanalong Best Performances by a Female Recording Artist para sa kantang Titibok-Tibok para sa nanalong Himing Handong 2070 Grand Champion Songwriting Competition ito. Ayan. Ang Titibok-Tibok ay composed by Liberty. Hindi ko alam yung last name. But from Caloocan City po siya. Moira de la Torre is a songwriting, singer-songwriter, and siya yung sumulat sa mga kanta. And Moira won PNPC Star Wars for Music Female Recording Artist of the Year para sa kantang Malaya 2018. 2019, kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko, and mahalag Paumbaya 2021. Kasi release ito ni 2020. Our top 3, si Regine Balasis Alcacid. Sa Awit Awards, nanalong Best Performance by a Female Recording Artist ay Sana Maulit Muli, a cover of Larry B's original noong 1994. para sa Reason Enough album. And Kailangan Ko Ikaw, theme song ng pelikula noong 2000. Ayan, with Robin Padilla. Sa Star Wars, Tell Me That You Love, ay no, mali pala. Loki album and I Am Beautiful ng 2009 and 2020 respectively. Ang top 2 with 5 wins, 3 from Awit Awards and 2 Star Wars for music ay si Aiza, now Icy Guerra. Aiza formerly now Icy Guerra. Sa Awit Awards nanalo Best Performances by a Female Recording Artist ARM. In 2002, pagdating ng panahon, ito yung comeback song by Icy Guerra after nangyari as a child star. From the 2001 album is also the song composed by Eddie Gallardo and Mon Ortiz, tama ba? Ayan. 2009, via Star Music's Open Arms Open Arms album and song. And Icy Guerra's one for With a Smile in 2013 beats Sarah Geronimo's Tao. Yung With a Smile, yan yung theme song ng pelikulang The Reunion, yung Eraserheads. And the most wins si Sarah Geronimo. Una sa Awit Awards, 2 lang siya. 2019, isa pang araw sa pelikula Miss Granny noong 2018. At Dati Dati by Sarah G, 2023 Awit Awards, Best Performances by a Female Recording Artist. To yung last nanalong female recording artist. Bago nangyari sa bagong rules ng Awit Awards, ay magiging Best Performances by a solo artist na. Hindi na male, hindi na female recording artist, kundi combine na siya ng male and female sa solo artist. Ayan. Ito rin last winner for female recording artist sa Awit Award. For Dati Dati. Dati Dati released in 2023. And for Star Wars are ito. Music and Me 2010, One Heart 2011, Pure 2030, Expression, and Perfectly Imperfect 2014-2015. And finally, ang most recent wins is Habang Buhay in 2024. Ayan po! That's it for our winners sa Awit Awards and Star Wars for Music for Female Recording Artists. Sana mag-enjoy sa ating latest vlog. And hope you enjoy para sa ating latest vlog. And see you sa Awit Awards 2025 this year. Coming soon. Salamat sa panonood. See you next vlog. Bye. God bless.